Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can advertise your store on Big Cartel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in this guide that explains everything about how to drive traffic to your online store. So, running an online store is no small task. It takes a lot of time and effort to perfect your products, to photograph them, and write product descriptions, and to ultimately launch your online store. But guess what? You're only halfway done. You still have to get the word out to get people to visit your store. Marketing may sound daunting, especially if you've never done it before. You may not know where to begin or how you should connect with potential customers. The good news, we're here to help you learn the basics of driving traffic to your website. You'll learn how to create an effective blogging strategy, learn how to build a blog that uses engaging content to attract visitors, promote yourself on social media, discover the basics of social media marketing and how you can use it to direct traffic to your site, and get the most from email marketing, leverage the power of new sellers. This strengthen your relationships with customers while promoting your products or services. So basically, guys, in order to advertise your big cartel store, there is three big steps to get the most traffic. So the first one is to create content that people enjoy. Second one is to build your email list. And lastly is to promote yourself on social media. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.